Good morning. I am here to try mixing this Daniel Smith color called Cascade Green. And if you look on the side of the label, it says that it's made of two pigments, raw sienna and phthalo blue. Raw sienna is PBR7 and phthalocyanine blue is PB15. So if you look at Daniel Smith colors, I have a brochure here. I'll show you here. A brochure of Daniel Smith colors, and it has about 256 pigments. I know that there are more. Some are the gemstones and some are the mica colors, mica and silica colors, the reflective ones that sparkle. And out of what's left, I counted up all of them that have one pigment in them. Like, and here is raw sienna. The pigment is PBR7. Now, if you look at another color over here, Terra Verte, it's got PG18, pigment green 18, pigment, and PBR7, which is the raw sienna. So it's a mixture of two. Now, if you only bought the single pigments, you can mix your own Terra Verte. If you got PG18 and the PBR7, then you can mix your own Terra Verte. And I might try to do that at some point with some of these other colors that I have from Daniel Smith. Moonglow has at least two, PG18, PB29, and PR7. So it has a green, a blue, and a red in there. And it separates out really nicely. So this is what they would call a convenience color. And so Cascade Green would be a convenience color. And I can mix it out of this phthalo blue and raw sienna, which have those same pigments, PBR7. And let's see, my little tube is squished here, but you can see the PB15 right up at the top there. Yep. So what I did was I have a little tub of the Cascade Green. You can kind of see that's nice, deep green. I put a little fresh paint on top this morning. And then I have three mixes going here. There we go. On the left, this has very little blue. The one in the middle has about equal amounts of blue. And the one on the right has very little raw sienna and lots of blue. So I have different proportions on each of these. And I'm going to mix them up and swatch them out, and we'll see what happens. First, I'm going to swatch the Cascade Green so that you can see what happens. I'm going to do my little landscape swatch by running a brush full of water across the top 2/3 of the paper, and we'll see how it spreads out. The paint spreads out. So this is, where's my rag? It started to dry already for my skin, but here is a nice little bit on the brush. Now watch, as I touch the pigment, the tip of the brush, I'm touching it to where the dry and the wet line intersect, along the length of it. And you can start to see it separating, and I'm going to make that happen some more. Just dipping my brush, it's still loaded with that thick undiluted pigment.